Here's a quick video. It's one of these comic cars from the Suntory Boss promos. Suntory Boss is a canned coffee in Japan, and this came free with it. Although I had to buy this, I don't live in Japan. So it's a Lamborghini Murcielago. Hopefully I can focus on the model a little better. There we go. And let's see the side view of the foreshortening here. So it's different styling than a Chorokyu. It's not as tall and boxy looking, but still comical looking. Alright. Yeah, not so bad, I guess, for a free promotional item. It seems like the wheels actually are similar to the first photograph I showed. A little black paint in these holes would make them look nicer. Really tight panel gaps, being a plastic body. I like the little side vent there, though. Yeah, that's a smoked canopy. It's just really dark smoked. Going to the front, nice texture in the grills, Lamborghini logo there, and then silver headlights. Yeah, there's actually text written there. I wonder if it's legible. It's not quite legible. At least you can see the L and a little bit of the A. Okay, let's see about this side. Same as the other. And then the rear is probably the best side. It's got 3 textures in the grills, nice printing for the taillights. Lamborghini printed there looks good. The central exhaust tips with a little depth in the middle. The license plate is actually a tab to hold the back part of the bottom, and then the one screw is here. What's weird, it doesn't say Suntory Boss or anything like that. Alright, and then the louvers here are just painted black. This is a pullback toy if you're unaware. Alright, so that's it. It's pretty nice for a freebie. I think it's comical looking. That's why I like collecting these things. Just a little change from normal scale models in which I can actually show you a comparison. So, since we have a green photograph, I have this green Kyosho. I'm just reading the bottom of that thing, yep. So, similar wheels, you know, the 5-hole pattern wheels. Naturally, the Kyosho looks much more like the photograph. Okay. Alright, so, yeah. Now, let's compare it to a couple other Lambos here. In fact, let me move it over to this photograph. This is the collection of the Boss Lamborghinis, I guess. And so I have this green Irako here. I don't have any of the others, though. I'm probably going to have to get all those at some point in time if they come up on eBay cheap enough. Alright, so there's that Irako. And it's nice to see that it's different wheels, you know, so they're not sharing the same wheels. And it has the Lambo printing as well. And actually the Irako is probably better because it has silver chrome for the window moldings. Alright. I do have a Chorokyu. Let's see here. Here's a Countach of a Chorokyu. It's the Chorokyu 0, so it has a more detail than a standard Chorokyu. And what else do I have? I have a Chorokyu Miura. Let's use this. So that's also a Chorokyu 0. So the styling is a little bit different, but it's actually not that different than the Chorokyu brand. I thought it was a little taller, but in reality it's not, so I'm mistaken from my earlier comment. I think if you want to try to keep your cartoon cars similar, this actually isn't that bad. Alright, now let's let this guy spin. So, yeah, I'm going to try to collect the other Lamborghinis from this set, since I like Lamborghinis, obviously. And they're different enough from the Chorokyus, even though looks like there's a Countach in this set, so it's a black one. I'm going to get that, hopefully someday, to compare it to the red Chorokyu I just showed you, and we'll see what the kind of differences they have. So, until then, I'll catch you in the comments. See ya.